I want you to look at this screenshot. This product on Etsy has made $778,000 and it's just a digital file that customers download after purchase. Price of the product is $9.42 and made over 82,657 sales. And in a moment, I will show you what this is and I will show you hundreds of other Etsy sellers are selling the same. And to help you make money like this, I'm giving you a higher quality, same thing, but higher quality that you can literally download right now from the link in the description. You should literally download it right now. It's 100% free. Then take it and just upload on Etsy and start making money right now. But my question is, if it's so easy to make money by selling digital products on Etsy, why on earth this channel on YouTube is teaching it for free? She is literally giving away 7 product ideas to make $100 per day. This video is 35 minutes long, and from my experience, this kind of video should take total of 12 to 24 working hours and at least 7 to 8 steps to make. Why on earth an expert who is already making money is teaching her secrets and creating her own competitors? She could have used this time to launch a new store and 10 new products. Okay, wait, she can just download my template from the link in the description just like you and launch a resume template. Well, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. It's a resume template that made all this $700,000. And if you go to Etsy and search with resume template, you'll find hundreds of sellers are selling thousands of templates and they're all making money. Yet this person is taking 7 to 8 steps and 12 hours to 24 hours to shoot this kind of videos. These are literally boring steps. And if you want to learn about them, just go ahead and search with step make YouTube video and you will find all these for free. But they are really boring. Then why this person is taking all these 7 to 8 steps to shoot this kind of long video? Well, listen, these steps are really boring. We do this every day, we know it. Just go ahead and Google step to make YouTube video and you'll find all these 7 to 8 steps and even 10 simple or more steps. Not easy. Honestly, even we don't do this except for this channel. In this channel, we directly connect with our customers. But on our other 20 plus channels, we use our artificial intelligence software Epic.ai to make videos from image and text. Epic.ai replaces all the steps and make videos in just 3 to 5 minutes. Epic writes the scripts for us using artificial intelligence, turns those scripts into natural sounding voice over, makes videos from bite-sized videos, and in just one click, all those bite-sized videos turn into one long video. Over 3 million royalty-free image and videos are there to use in your videos inside Epic. And Epic turns a full script into video slide. The summary is Epic completely replaces cameras and microphones and make videos using artificial intelligence, image and text in 2 to 3 minutes. And the best of the best part, Epic is free to start. Link is in the description. You can just go ahead, grab Epic access, start making videos and make money. Now, where is the money in videos? To explain this, we need to go to one of our Warrior Plus affiliate accounts. As you can see here, $131,000 in income. And this is a random screenshot. It looks pretty good. $131,000 is good money. But there are 2 variables responsible for this income. This is variable number 1 and this is variable number 2. I will reveal these 2 variables in a moment, but to understand this clearly, I need to explain you why people use Etsy in the first place. Etsy is a $1 billion company, and the reason it is $1 billion company is that it has 446 million monthly visitors. This is the greatest asset of any internet marketing company. On top of that, almost 50% of these visitors come from search engines like Google, which means if you list your product or your resume template on Etsy, you will get free customers from Google. And of course, Etsy has its own 50% customers. So your offers or your products will be exposed to 500 million customers just by listing on Etsy. And all this without the pain of paid traffic and trying to rank on Google. This is great. And this is the time I need to reveal the first variable of our income, the hops or the clicks or the traffic. When traffic visits our affiliate offers by clicking our affiliate links, we make money. And that's why Heather makes videos on YouTube. Well, where is the money on YouTube? Number 1, when YouTube runs ads on your videos, they share around 40 to 45% of the earning with you. It's approximately $2 to $5 from every 1,000 views. Heather gets a lot of views, so she makes pretty decent decent income from AdSense alone. But she makes a lot more money from affiliate commission. And in this video, you can see this link. This link, she is promoting Printify, which is relevant to the affiliate program she is promoting, which is relevant to the content she is teaching in the video. And Printify pays you 5% commissions from each sale your referrals make. And that is why Heather is helping her audience to make money using Printify. And when they make money, Heather will make passive affiliate commission. Now, our original question is, if she is making money on Etsy, why is she making videos? Because she is diversifying her income sources. For example, now look at the second variable. You see all these promotions? We promote a lot of offers as affiliate because our customers buy a lot of products. And by diversifying, we make money from multiple sources, multiple accounts on Warrior Plus, JVZoo, ClickBank, Amazon, and other affiliate offers. This also reduces the risk of losing income in case for any reason one source stopped working. Yes, Heather is using Etsy as one income source and YouTube and affiliate marketing as other income sources, and you should be doing it too. So step number one, go grab Epic and start making videos published on YouTube. So step number one, go grab Epic from the link in the description. Go grab the resume template from the link in the description. They're all free to start. Make simple videos using Epic and ask your viewers to click your links in the description and buy from you. You can even promote Printify just like Heather or any of my products on Warrior Plus if you want. Just go to Warrior Plus and create a free affiliate account. Then go to affiliate section, go to offer section and search with Mosh Bari under vendor name. Click search and you will see all my products making all these sales and is converting really well. One of them is this hosting offer. Simply click this request button. There will be a request button if you are a new affiliate and you will see a box asking for more information. Say that you watched my video from YouTube or wherever you watch this video from and tell me your plan of promoting my product, how you want to promote. You can mention videos and YouTube if you're planning to do so. Apply and we will approve you. Copy your affiliate link and put it on the description of your YouTube video and make awesome, helpful information videos using Epic. Just image and text. No camera, no microphone need. Take all these steps. In fact, you don't need all these steps if you're not using cameras and microphone. Upload on YouTube and YouTube will send you traffic, will make you money and you will be happy. Super simple.
Simply create new. Give your video a name. Select vertical and click create. You got a vertical canvas. If you want to add an image, copy image address from any free source. Paste it here and your image is imported. Now you can resize it, rotate it, make it dramatic. You can add text, resize the text, and do all kinds of formatting. If you want to voiceover and you want to copy from anywhere, you can do it. Just copy from any website you want or place you want. Click the text generator and paste it right here. Use our artificial intelligence to rewrite for you or use the spinner to rewrite. It is your choice. Let's use the spinner and the text you copied from somewhere is rewritten. Copy the text, take it and go to the audio section. Either you can upload your own audio or record your own audio from your mic or use the text to audio feature to add natural voiceover using the application. Give it a name. Choose your favorite voice type based on text here. Then click submit. Your voiceover is ready. Go to the audio section and here is your audio. Your bite-sized video is ready. You can make it any length and you can add multiple bite-sized videos to make any length. Save your work to come back later and add more video sections. You can also use our templates, which we have designed for our customers. Once you are done, click the render button and the video will be rendered in the background. You will receive an email notification once the render is complete. This is exactly how we made this video right here. You can download it and then upload it or directly upload it to Google Drive, Dropbox, or other platforms. Or you can directly publish it on YouTube or other platforms.
Did you like this video? We put a lot of effort on it so you learn how to make money online. The easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. And we want to help 100 million people in the next 10 years learn the same, and you can participate in this noble mission just by hitting the like button and sharing this video with your friends, family, social media. They will love you and follow you for sharing this awesome information, and they will eventually become your first customers and clients. Go grab all the free resources and softwares we're giving away, use them and start making money. Subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money making video. Like and share this video to help others and make money, and we will see you in the next video.